What's up everybody, James here. We're gonna do an exercise today, the lateral lunge. So ideally, what we wanna work up to, getting one leg nice and spaced out to one side, right leg to the right side, sit right back on that heel, and then you're gonna come right back. And then you obviously go to the next side. Now, if you're able to do this freestanding, that's fabulous. It's a great way to build some leg strength, get a little bit different plane of motion. So for example, if I go to the side this way, okay, or a little different angle out, just so you can see it from a few different angles. Now, if that lateral motion is too much or it kind of throws you a little bit, you can either have a chair or a wall or something sturdy that you can hold on to, okay? So that as you do that lateral lunge, if you just need to put your hand on something so that you've got your balance, and then you come right back to that standing position. The chair is nice because if you do get a little lightheaded or you get a little fatigued and you need a break, it's just a quick turnaround and you're able to just kind of take a minute right there. So that's your lateral lunge, and I'll see you next time.